Alright. Well, this is day 3. And this is my wheel. And I got it marked out. You can see the marks I put on there. And these are my pieces. Here's my fins. And I'm going to bend at probably a 30-degree angle, right about 2 inches down. These pieces, these pieces I just bent. I put inside the pipe there and I pounded it like that until they got a small bend to them like that. And that way, when I put them on this, like so, you know, it'll follow the curve like that instead of being straight. So I checked my my fins, all, you know, they're pretty close, within a 64th of being perfect. So you can see there's that one in the center that's a little low, but I'll just add a little weld to straighten that out. And I checked my motor for this, and thank God I didn't bend those things yet, because the motor turns to the left, which is a counterclockwise. So that sort of irks me, but it's the way it is. I don't know why. I thought it would turn clockwise. I don't know. Fuck. Or sorry about that. Anyway, so right now I'm going to start bending my fins, and then I'm going to weld them on this, and we'll go from there. Alright.